know it just so that when you teach the students, you can explain why they might be retaining the breath, because we're manipulating the breath cycle. We want people to understand what that does. It expands the prana, increases the prana. We can talk about how you might experience, you might be in an environment which is full of EMF, you might be in an environment which is toxic, you might have a job like you're an air hostess or something and you're in a plane all the time. Whatever it is, we can explain, we can use this to say, okay, so when we are breathing in for a count of 4 and holding for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 4, that we do that to increase the prana in our system or to release the toxins from the system. So just having some understanding of this will help you explain the why to your students, because they want to know why they're doing these things. Why are we breathing in? Why are we holding our breath? What does it do?